Ini patah ya guys. Nah, ini patah ya guys. Ini harusnya kan seperti ini. Coba kita akan coba akali ya. Kita coba akali pakai pipa. Ini saya potong dari sini menggunakan cutter yang sudah dipanasi. Apakah berhasil? Dan semoga berhasil. Oke.
And I'm up again. I got tired eyes, need a cup of blend. That's right, in the AM, that's my only friend. No light, just the sun coming up on the horizon. I lose track of time, yeah, I move fast and climb a new class divine, yeah, true passion shines. And I'm through passing time, I choose stacking dimes. You snooze half the time while I move passing by. I work hard each and every day. I get lost in the words I say. I don't push pause, no, I push play. I won't stop till I make a change. I withdraw on the things I make. I turn flaws into flawless traits. I build tall, never capped in space. I won't stop till I hear him say